In the back end of the corrugated packaging line, many third-level plants with limited budgets face production pressure from orders with scattered specifications and varying sizes. How can they improve production efficiency and meet diversified market demands within a limited budget? In this video, Corrface comes to Lonco Hansen Packaging Company to see how the intelligent soft-cutting scattered orders King Slaughter of Zhangzhou Dehai Carton Equipment Manufacturing Company, Limited completes the back-end scattered orders processing of the whole Hansen packaging factory with one piece of equipment. Hansen Packaging is a third-level factory specializing in the production of yellow board cartons, and the warehouse is full of pending orders with scattered quantities, varying sizes, and single orders for single-digit cardboard only. As Hansen Packaging produces relatively simple paperboard printing plate, but a wide range of specifications, different sizes, the types of orders to be handled in a day up to hundreds of models, the production pressure is mainly concentrated in the back-end process. In order to improve the capacity and efficiency of the back-end, Hansen Packaging chose the subversive slotting equipment designed and developed by Dehai Company Intelligent Soft-Cutting Scattered Orders King Slaughter to solve the bulk scattered orders with system engineering. This equipment is developed for bulk orders, equipped with 12 servo motors to drive the operation. The front edge of the equipment is equipped with German Bosch Rexroth servo control system, in order to achieve the infinite extension of the paper feeding size. The entire transmission structure also adopts the adsorption of belt design. The belt is arranged in close proximity to the smallest feeding size of up to 170 mm, regardless of the size of the paperboard, can be well shaped. Dehai Slaughter supports code scanning to realize quick order change, and the whole process of order change only takes a few seconds. The operating platform is equipped with a separate measuring device for paperboard thickness, which can effectively avoid paper jamming and improve the speed and accuracy of order change. It can effectively deal with the production of large volume bulk orders. And the types of paperboard boxes cover a wide range of specifications such as large and small lids, counterpart boxes and lid and base carton. The speed can reach 7,000 to 8,000 pieces per hour, regular counterpart boxes. The production capacity is compatible with 5 scanning digital printers or 2 high-speed inkjet digital straight-out machines, providing efficient connection for the overall production process. Under the market trend that fragmented orders are becoming the norm, the intelligent soft-cutting scattered orders King Slaughter has helped third-level factories open up a new perspective. It's not about winning with scale, but winning with flexible manufacturing capability. This subversive slotting equipment has helped more and more third-level factories to liberate the pressure of back-end production and improve overall efficiency.